Try turning a door handle with just your fingers on the thin metal rod. Hard, right? Now hold the wide round knob, and it turns easily. Same door, same lock, different force. That knob is not decoration. It is a simple machine, the wheel and axle. A wheel and axle is one of the 6 classic simple machines. The wheel is the large outer circle. The axle is the small inner rod. They are attached, so when the wheel turns, the axle turns with it. And when the axle turns, it winds up a rope and lifts a load. Here is the trick. The wheel has a much larger radius than the axle. So when you apply a small force over the large wheel, it creates a much larger force at the small axle. This is called mechanical advantage. The machine multiplies your force. You put in a little effort, you get out a lot of power. Science does the rest. Look around you. Steering wheels in cars, screwdrivers, bicycle pedals and gears, water taps, wrenches. They are all wheel and axle systems. Big radius on the outside, small radius in the middle, force amplified, task made easy, physics doing the heavy lifting. The wheel and axle does not reduce the work you do. Work is force times distance. The machine keeps that the same, but it rearranges it. Less force over more distance becoming more force over less distance. That is mechanical advantage. That is simple machine magic. And now, every doorknob, every tap, every steering wheel will remind you of one thing. Physics makes life easier. And the best part? At Ratnanidhi Charitable Trust, we bring exactly this kind of science to life. Hands-on, visual, joyful, and completely free for schools across Mumbai. If you want your students to experience the wonder of science this way, write to us at info@ratnanidhi.org or WhatsApp us at 749-8989-292. Because every child deserves to fall in love with science. We are Ratnanidhi, and this is what we do.